The M1 new automation system for concealed sliding doors is the new frontier of TOPP innovation. The door opens and closes with a precise and smooth movement driven by magnetic fields. The transmission of the movement by magnetic action allows an easy installation, a simple adaptability to existing sliding doors, minimal dimensions with an appealing design. The product, in accordance with the EN 16005 standard for low energy movement, manages the door speed by a sophisticated electronic control with no need of sensors or safety photocells. The M1 automation system, with its minimal dimensions and appealing design, has been designed to be easily installed also on existing concealed sliding doors. Let's proceed and see how. First of all, verify that the minimum distance between the door wing and the frame is at least 7 mm. Cut the seal brush at 60 mm from the top of the door in order to allow the magnetic rail installation. Join the rail segments according to the door size, starting from the head segment. Insert the aluminium guides on the rail sides, taking care that the silkscreen printed guide is positioned always on the shorter side of the rail. Proceed mounting also the rail rotor connection guide. Finally, cut the excess from the aluminium guides at the end of the last segment, according to the door size, and lightly clamp the ends. At this stage, insert the plastic mounting templates in the assembled rail, with equal distance between them, starting from the head. Please be careful. If, as in this case, the door opens towards the left, the mounting templates must have the arrow upwards on the side of the silkscreen printed guide. The magnetic rail is now assembled. You are ready to fit it on the door with the templates pointing with the arrows to the top side of the frame. Once the fitting is completed, the templates can be removed from the rail. Loosen the screws on the back side of the automation to adjust the length according to the door opening space. Mount the side bracket in order to fit the automation, and in the opposite side, secure the 4 screws to the rail connection guide. Connect and insert the IR sensor, taking care to have the sensing window pointing downwards. Going back to the side bracket, adjust the automation in order to have it parallel to the door and secure the screw. Center the automation and secure the screws on the back side of the device. Move to the other side of the door and secure the safety stop in the open door position. Now wire the second sensor. Wire the cable to the sensor and finally fit it to the wall. Going back to the automation, connect the sensor's wire to the electronic board. Adjust the trimmer according to the door weight, following the instructions in the installation manual. Finally, plug the automation into the power supply and make sure that the door stays open about 10 cm. Initialize the automation by pressing the S1 button for 7 seconds and wait until 3 cycles of opening and closing are completed, and proceed with programming the radio remote selector by pushing the S2 button for at least 3 seconds. When the L1 LED starts flashing, press any button of the remote selector to program it. The TS8 radio remote selector with magnetic wall mounting stand allows the selection of 8 different functions: opening, closing, Door lock, slow speed mode. Entrance only mode, exit only mode, reset. Automatic mode. The automation is now ready and the door automatically opens and closes.